versus Binance P2P. Which is better? Voiceover script. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Bybit P2P versus Binance P2P. If you're looking to buy or sell crypto directly using your local payment methods, this video will help you understand which platform gives you better rates, lower fees, and stronger protection. Tashter 1. Trading fees. Let's start with the most important part: fees. On Binance P2P, there are zero fees for both buyers and sellers. You pay exactly what you see on the order. Binance earns money indirectly through spreads and liquidity. On Bybit P2P, it's also zero fees for both buyers and sellers. Like Binance, you don't pay any commission on the trade itself. So when it comes to fees, both platforms are equal. No extra charges. 2. Liquidity and number of users. Now let's look at liquidity. How many buyers and sellers are available, and how easy it is to get the best price. Binance P2P is the largest P2P marketplace in the world, available in over 100 countries. It has thousands of daily offers, which means you'll usually find better exchange rates and faster matching. Bybit P2P is smaller compared to Binance, with fewer offers per region. However, it has been growing fast, especially in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The main difference is that you may not always find the exact payment method or amount you want as easily as on Binance. So for liquidity and variety, Binance clearly has the advantage. Hashtag 3. Payment methods. On Binance P2P, you can choose from hundreds of payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, Wise, local wallets, and even cash in some countries. On Bybit P2P, payment methods depend on the region. You'll typically find bank transfers and a few local e-wallets, but the overall number of payment methods is smaller compared to Binance. If you need maximum flexibility in payment options, Binance wins. Drawdown 4. Buyer and seller protection. P2P comes with risks, so protection matters. On Binance P2P, all trades are protected by an escrow service. When you start a trade, Binance locks the seller's crypto until payment is confirmed. This prevents fraud. Binance also has a dedicated support team for dispute resolution. On Bybit P2P, there's also an escrow system, which means the seller's crypto is locked during the trade. Bybit also provides customer support for disputes, but the community and dispute resolution system is still smaller compared to Binance's. Both platforms are safe, but Binance has a longer track record and larger support system. 5. Real trading experience. Here's where users usually notice the difference. On Binance P2P, because there are more traders, you'll often find tighter spreads and better rates. For example, if the market price of USDT is $1, you might get it at exactly $1 or 101 cents. On Bybit P2P, the rates can sometimes be slightly worse, like $1.02 or 99 cents, simply because there are fewer competitors listing offers. In practice, you often save more money on Binance just because of better market competition. Final verdict. So after comparing Bybit P2P versus Binance P2P, fees, both are free, zero commission. Liquidity, Binance has far more offers and tighter spreads. Payment methods, Binance supports more global and local options. Protection, both have escrow, but Binance has a larger support system. Best rates in practice, Binance usually wins because of competition. My recommendation, if you want the safest and most liquid P2P marketplace, go with Binance P2P. If you already use Bybit for trading and want quick conversions without leaving the platform, Bybit P2P can still work. Both are good, but Binance currently offers the better overall P2P experience. That's the full breakdown of Bybit P2P versus Binance P2P. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which P2P platform you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.